Wow. Radhe Radhe. Jai ho, welcome to Radha Kun. Hey, Radha Kun ki jai. Radha Kun is overflowing. So much mercy. The mercy is overflowing here in Radha Kun. Radhe Radhe. This is amazing. Look at the Radha Kun. The first step is already covered by water. Wow! What a wonderful sight. Yes, Radhe Radhe. Jai ho, Radhe Radhe. Heber Prabhu, Prema Bilas, Jai ho, Radhe Radhe, thank you. Jai ho, Radhe Radhe. Maraming salamat sa mga laging nag-comment at laging nanonood at nakikinig.
Jai Shri Ram, Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe.
Radhe
Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe bolo. Radhe Radhe, Jai ho, Jai ho. Jai ho. So this is Radha Kun. Radha Kun and Shyama Kun. Wow, look at this. So much water. Overflowing. Jai ho, Jai ho. So much mercy today. Jai, Jai ho, Jai ho. Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho. Balgiraj Maharaj ki Jai, 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 Jai ho. Jai ho. Shyama Kunda. This is Shyama Kunda and Radha Kunda. Jai ho, Jai ho. Mainit ba? Jan, Prab. Yes, mainit ngayon. Pero laging nag-uulan minsan. Buti nga. Luckily today, there is no rain. It's a sunny day. Sunday, Radhe Radhe Sunday. Jai ho, Jai ho. Sobrang init. Nangitim na ako. Sunburn. Surya, mercy. See? The overflowing Radha Kun. The mercy is overflowing. The nectar is overflowing. So much mercy today. Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.
My friend.
Yes, how are you? How are you? Chakachak, chakachak, chakachak. Chakachak, chakachak. Radhe Radhe. Rade, hanap muna tayo ng spot kung saan tayo pwede maligo. Nawala na yung mga kadena. Wala tayong paglalagyan. Rade, jai ho. Chain hai, chain. अच्छा ठीक है अरे मैया हाँ
भगवान को किसने को बनवाए हैं?
हाँ कृष्ण बलराम
यहाँ पे
दर्शन may nagdarshan pa sa tattoo ko. After magdarshan, mag-donate. Darshan karo, dan karo. Radhe. Cakacak. Cakacak. Paano tayo? Radhe. Okay.
पानी भर गया तो बढ़िया लग रहा है एक नंबर.
Walang stairs. Walang baitang, so wala tayong paglalagyan ng phone. This is Radakun. This is the Mercy of Radharani. Radhe. Jai Radhe. Jai ho. Okay. Didiskarte muna ako kung paano makaligo. Dahil nakita nyo naman, wala na yung steps. Natabunan na. So kailangan natin ilagay yung gamit natin dito sa tabi ng pader. Wala. Puro basa. So let us see. Jai ho. Radakun ki jai. Okay. Radhe. Radakunda, Shamakunda, Giri Govardhan ki jai. Jai ho. Radhe. Okay. So now you can chant the Prema Dwani authentically. You really know what you're talking about if you say Radakunda, Shamakunda, Giri Govardhan ki jai, because you actually experience that real place of Radakun and Shamakun and Giri Govardhan. We are here right now. So this is the actual. This is Radakun. This is Radharani. Okay. Radhe. So we have completed our parikram. Actually, there is another leg, like an hour more to complete the whole parikram. Radhe, chakachak. Radhe, bolo. Radhe, okay. चकाचक राधे yeah.
हमारा मित्र है.
हाँ बढ़िया मित्र
फ्रेंड है.
हाँ दोस्त.
हाँ दोस्त.
बहुत बढ़िया चकाचक राधे. कहाँ
साइड पे.
कहाँ से आए हो? कौन सा गाँव? ग्वालियर. अच्छा आपके पास दिल्ली. चकाचक. जय हो राधे. जय हो. So binabati natin lahat ng mga volunteers sa ating ashram, Krishna Balaram Ashram Community. So yung next batch malapit na, maganda na kayo. Nantay na kayo ni Radharani, Mercy ni Radharani darating na sa inyo. Just keep on serving Giriraj and Radhesham and Krishna Balaram. And one day you will all going to be here. I will bring all of you here. Okay? That is the mercy of Giriraj Govardhan and Krishna Balaram and Radhesham. Jai ho, Radhe.